but you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gon' send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
Oh, the camera kinda blurry, let me wipe it all off. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to a little car meet over here in Miami. You feel me? About to see what's going on. I don't know what's going on. So I got drug out the house. Cause I was supposed to do some POVs and stuff like that. That same M5 I'm gonna do a POV on. I told you I want to drive one before I actually look into getting one. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. Let's get straight into the video. Ooh, it's a little blurry. But we just pulled up to the event. Oh my. Ain't no boy. Paul Walker? Oh, you got slingshots out here. You probably see what it is that talk about it. Just pulled up with a little M5 Demon. No back.
Boy, you're walking really slow.
But there's a whole bunch of skylines, like these just starting to become more and more popular.
Let that Gucci breathe.
That's how you feeling? It's pink toes. I don't know, I need to wrap my car. I tell you, I'm wrapping bright pink. And mate, they banned. Oh, here go Trini and Turk. Them boys go. Yo.
Yo.
What's good?
What's good? You vlogging?
Yeah.
What's up, vlog?
What's up, good? Man? You got a new fender on?
Slightly.
Slightly.
Fix some stuff on it, but it's just out there right now.
Yeah, it looks tough though. At least you got it fixed. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
You got a Batmobile outside. This color seems so tough. Black and yellow. Gosh. So I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna get me an M5, right? Look at it. M5 comp. I'm still mad that she's selling hers because I don't want to talk about it. For M3. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all do. Would y'all rather go M5 or would y'all go M3 CS? A lot of people say they go M5, a lot of people say they get CS. I don't know. Me personally, I'm going M5. I'm definitely going M5. Big boy. Big one. If I go see dog M8. Oh, he parked over there with an M. That's it? Oh, that's tough. It's really hard, man. You good? That made hard. Say bands, it's all you. M8. M8 comp, dude. The interior looking like, ooh, off the red guts. Yeah. The engine. Yeah, engine. It's tough. Off the red guts and the carbon roof. Stop playing with those.
Slightly different body.
They got the gap cameras over there. Fast guys outside. These are tough. These M3s. I don't know. Ever since I'm in love with the M5. I still got love for the JDM though. Still got love for it. Bro, this is tough.
So more of a either really small car, like I have a TRX too. So I'm more of a really small car or a really big truck.
I need me a M8 or M5. One of them. V8. Shit is low for real. I don't know why you don't like Lambo. What's wrong with the car? I don't know what's wrong. About to see what this sound like. Go ahead, go crazy.
We're gonna do it together.
Huh?
We're gonna do it together.
Oh, y'all gonna have it together. Oh, all right, bet.
Okay, we're good.
It's not one bet there. Yeah, it's crazy in person. Crazy. That boy shooting flames. He's shooting flames. Boy shooting flames. Yo, that sounds crazy. Choose out of these two things. Which one you choose?
Right.
What the fuck? What is wrong with you?
I like a toned down pink.
What is the pink supposed to look like? Like, how dark did you? What is toned down?
There's one over there.
Okay, so these too bright. Too bright. All right, bet. We're gonna find another pink. This. Wow, you're colorblind.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. These two bright, but you wanted a pink for the field. But darker than this. Like lighter. Like a salmon? Salmon pink? Salmon pink? Salmon. Salmon pink. Okay. Like this. Like the sticker. Bro, like this. Right here.
Oh yeah, like just like that. I love that one. I see it on IG.
Huh. Okay. Oh man, here you go. Would you get that bright green? Yeah, lime green. Like if they had that wrap, you like it?
I like it.
Would you? So you want a bright color? You want a bright color? You don't want?
No, I don't.
The thing is, you want like a car that sticks out.
Yeah.
Why you want to be sticking like that? Like you don't want to go black or like a stealth PPF?
I like the black though.
Bruh, nah. Lime green, that's bright as hell. And pink is gonna be bright. Look, see it, touch it, obtain it. I'm gonna get me one. I'm gonna touch it. And they got front mount intake. I'm gonna get me one. I'm gonna get me one. What? The weight on it. You look at the front mount intake?
Yeah. Can I get them like wrapped in different colors?
Yeah.
Your people?
So, it's mad hot outside, so I robbed her car and I had the AC on, blasting, damn near dying. You gotta keep yourself hydrated in this Florida heat. It's like 200 degrees.
Oh my God.
This is crazy. But there's a lot of good looking cars out here. You seen some ideas for your wrap, right?
No. Not at all. Not at all.
We finna, this is gonna be a crazy little journey or process
No,
of this
that's
year.
a fact.
This is gonna be funny.
That I did want the bags. I know that for sure. Absolutely want those bags. I want my shit low, touching the ground when it's like parked. But I can't drive like that because I drive like a lunatic.
You hear this? Drive like a lunatic. But she's about to start posting content on her YouTube as well, because she got to stay updated with her Instagram once you get the car. You can't just be like,
are you my manager? All right, that's what I thought.
we're gonna get, y'all gonna see the process. Just stay tuned for it. Follow her on IG, sushi_7. Tag her on screen. We're gonna get that situation.